Hello friends, this is Amrita Reddy. Welcome to Vegan Amrita channel. Today we are learning about physiology of digestion in chapter 1 nutrition in biology. Okay, let's go into the topic. What is physiology of digestion? There is a specific names of digestion process in digestion process. Let's take a look at digestion process more detailedly. So let's go to the animated class. Physiology of digestion. Understand the physiology of digestion that involves ingestion, digestion, absorption, and ingestion. The food is taken into the body through the mouth. This process is called ingestion. The food, on chewing, broken down into smaller particles and it mixes with saliva to form bolus. This bolus then enters into esophagus by peristaltic movement. Then it enters into sac-like muscular bag known as stomach. The stomach contains few enzymes and hydrochloric acid. The muscular wall of stomach helps in mixing and churning the food, which help the bolus to break down into mass known as chyme. This chyme passes into duodenum. The pancreas, gallbladder and liver are the auxiliaries of digestive organs. Liver produces and gallbladder release bile juice. The pancreas releases pancreatic juice. This all enters into duodenum through hepatopancreatic duct. The bile juice acts on fat molecules and the pancreatic juice acts on food molecules and breaks them down to the simpler particles of foods. After this, the digested food molecules moves into the lower part of the small intestine. A sectional view shows the numerous villi on its inner surface. The digested simple food particles include the useful molecules, the waste particles, and some water molecules. A closer look on the villi shows blood vessel and lacteal. The useful molecules get absorbed into the blood and the lacteal. This food is eventually transported to the various parts of the body, providing them with energy. The unabsorbed waste particles and waste molecules move further. These molecules further pass through the small intestine and finally reach to ascending colon of the large intestine. From here, it reaches to transverse colon to the descending colon. Most of the water molecules are absorbed by the walls of the colon, and the waste particles are collected at the lowermost part of the colon, known as rectum. From there, the waste particles excreted out. Thus, the process of digestion is completed. I hope you all understood well. So, once again we recap the class. To summarize the topic, we see the complex food that is ingested is acted upon by enzymes in the stomach and broken into simpler food particles. Then, in the duodenum, the enzymes act on these particles and further break them into simpler particles, which now can absorb by the villi in the small intestine. This food is transported to various parts of the body with energy. The undigested food and water molecules moves into large intestine, where the water molecules which are absorbed by intestinal walls, the undigested food is collected to the rectum and finally digested. we recapped the class and we discussed about physiology of digestion. So in next class we discussed in detail about liver, only liver structure and how it works and what are the parts in it. So until then, recap this first part and second part videos. So in next class we will discuss about liver. Until then, recap the both videos. So if you like my explanation, please like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to activate your bell icon. Thank you.